Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix slow buffering issue in Crunchyroll, but don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for this channel, so let's start. First off, you have to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi, or you can switch to Wi-Fi from cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi, and make sure that you have a good internet connection. And once you've done that, go to Play Store and make sure that you update your Crunchyroll to the latest version. If it has open button beside it, that means your app is up to date. But if it has update button, then you will have to update your app. So check if that works, but if that doesn't work, then you have to go to the next method, which is to go to the settings and go to the app management, and you have to find Crunchyroll app. So here it is, and just tap on it. Now you have to go to storage and clear the cache and data of the app. Now take note that if you clear the data of the app, you have to log into your credentials again. So that's it guys. I hope these methods help you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.